A very important element in the builder is the timeline sequencer, which is located in the bottom. On it, you have different settings and you see all the elements that you have loaded in different channels. You can select any element from here, or you can select it as usual with the mouse on the screen. And again, as you can see, it will be marked as selected, and even the sliders for the channels will move so that it shows which is the current selected element. On the sequencer itself, you have different settings, but one of them is to slide it up if you have multiple channels loaded so that you can review them together and fit more of it on screen, and the slide will be responsive to that and become smaller. As you drop it down, again, you will get more space for the slide itself and it will be bigger. But you will also have a vertical slider here for your channels and elements, and you can review them more easily, even using the mouse. Another great option is to have more visible space for each of the channels and make the sequencer full width for the slide. And also, if you need to hide it for some reason, you can do so by using this button here. And as you can see, you have just some settings left visible and operational, but you can return to the normal view with the same button and expand the sequencer back. On the controls, you have a home button that will rewind any progress of the slide that has been performed with the start and pause button, which is next to it. We can home and start from the beginning every time, no matter how much of the slide has been previewed. You can pause, you can resume, or you can stop and bring it to the beginning. We have a loop button that would loop a specific section or the whole slide and constantly play it. Mute, in case you have audio that you don't want to be audible while playing the slide. And a preview button, which is shortcut, and you can have a full screen preview with it. Next, we have this slider here, which would change the scale of your sequencer and the detailed view to different degree. So if you have a very long audio and slide that's more than a few minutes, you can have the visibility, or you can drop that slider down and have a more detailed view of the same region so that you can have more fine tunes and settings to your individual elements.